This attitude, combined with the Hakka people's customary frugality, caused them to view books and words as precious items that must not be discarded lightly. Hence, it became the rule that any unwanted piece of paper with writing on it must be offered to gods by burning it in a 3-story hexagonal oblation furnace. A sacred ceremony also surrounded the removal of the ash from such furnaces. In Mino, the ash was removed just once a year as part of a festive ritual.
The ash was then carried in procession to the bank of the river and released into the water in an appeal for heavenly blessing upon scholarly endeavor in the community. In an environment so deeply respectful of learning, it is hardly surprising that Meno has produced a large number of highly accomplished scholars. You can still see Meno's principal oblation furnace, which has been preserved as a heritage structure, while an exact replica has been built inside the museum.